Hi, I'm Charles Rainford. We're in at the lovely Checkers Inn, and I have DARYL DELEON with me. Would you like to tell us what we're playing, Daryl?
We're playing the touring car game.
So we've got a choice, playing either TOCA 1 or TOCA 2. I have played both games, obviously when I was quite young, born in 1998. I would spend time crying when I was about 4 years old to my mother when I kept crashing the car, so that's a lot about my personality. What about you? Do you have any experience with the TOCA game at all, Daryl?
Yeah, wow. First time I put my hands on this was 5 minutes ago, so I can't wait to get on track and see what it's like.
Did you ever play the PlayStation 2, actually? That should be another question.
No.
No.
I started Nintendo and then went to Xbox 360. It's pretty cool.
Look at this. Wow, there it is with the old style as well. This brings back memories, oh my word. So Daryl, like that, over the top, push down central, click, and in. Probably won't be around much longer. Oh, wow, look at it. Unreal. See, this is like iRacing level physics.
Oh, there's Brand.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I know my stuff.
Yeah, it's old school though. Look, the tyres coming out.
Thruxton.
Thruxton, yeah.
Hey.
So nostalgic. That was you, wasn't it? You
Knock
tried
it,
that. Yeah, true, you knocked it off.
Skip that tunnel.
TOCA Touring Cars, here we go. Number of players, 2, there we go. Computer cars, definitely. Qualifying, if that's all right with everyone else.
I think we can go for a bit of qualifying, a bit of a warm-up.
3-lap race, if we're going to do Croft.
Yeah.
Let's do some Croft action. Right, name, I think you're up first there. Oh, are we full naming it?
Yeah, we're full naming it.
Full naming it. Oh
How'd you get
my
back
word.
to
Oh! Right, that's it, demonetised after 7 seconds on YouTube. what car do you want, mate? Go on, you've got a Honda Accord.
Huh? I'll go with that.
Good choice. I might go in the A4. Oh, you're down horsepower there, mate. 290. I'll go 296 in the Audi.
What?
Croft, here we go. And it's the exact same layout by the looks of it.
Oh, it's like 129.
Yeah, that's actually quite slow, isn't it?
Depends how hard the game is.
Here we go.
Oh my god, we're straight in the deep end.
Oh, it's raining. Had to qualify, here we go. It all spawns in quite...
How'd I turn?
Quite late.
I've just been obliterated. Oh, it's X to go.
Oh, look at that. Straight across the curb. What a car. Unreal.
This has been the perfect start to a quali lap.
You can't see the corner unless you're actually like... Oh, my word, there's not a lot of grip, is there? Get track limits up to Barcroft.
Way too late.
Oh, we didn't batters. Flat through Barcroft. Oh my word, I've had a massive one. Oh, we're off. Oh dear. I'm off through Barcroft. 360, look at that. What a way to do a quali lap. Getting some good... Oh, he's off at Barcroft as well. Right, there we go. So the lap record was a 120. Obviously now it's wet, 139. I have no idea if that's any good. Oh, he spun again.
I'm learning the controls, that's my excuse. Oh, I'm going again.
Bag on
Get
those.
it in, get it in.
Rotation across the grass.
A bit of curve.
Bit of curb, bit of grass, and across the line.
Up to the line, and you haven't made it through.
Okay, Daryl, you are out. Oh dear, we've both not done very well there. I'm over a second off.
Where did I qualify? So dead last?
Last, yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
Would you like to change anything on
I'm
your car, my
changing,
friend?
we're going softer because it's wet.
Right down, oh wow.
I don't want to go too soft. Just a touch of everything, really.
You reckon, yeah?
It's more of a confidence change rather than...
What if it's not wet?
Just got to take a gamble.
Oh, intermediate, so you can change your tyres.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I think you're ready for slicks, mate. Yeah, 100% you're ready for wets.
What are you going?
I don't know, I'm just going to leave it.
You know, I'll leave it. I'm wasting time. Oh, it's
still wet. Oh, it slicks. Right, here we go. We're ready to bounce off every single car. 3-lap race round Croft.
Oh, is that you to my left?
There we go. That's me in the Audi, yeah.
Oh, wait.
What a start. Oh, I suppose the Audi's 4-wheel drive, isn't it?
I just...
The frame rate is not loving life. Daryl's off.
Spun before turn 1.
Daryl's off again. How's that soft setup, mate?
Not cold.
It's not cold.
No.
Are you sure? It's probably raining. It's quite cold.
No, as in like, it's not good.
Okay, I think you need to teach me some of this modern language stuff. Oh, I tell you what, I'm up the inside, up to P4, a little bit of argy-bargy, up to P3. Oh wow, here we go, up to the S's. He's leading the race, ladies and gentlemen.
I've been dropped by everyone.
Everything spawns in so late, you forget how lucky we are with modern technology. I can see why that struggled when I was 4. I mean, I'm struggling even more now, I think. I think my 3-year-old self would be absolutely whooping my bottom right now.
I just saw your gamer tag, right?
Oh yeah, gamer tag?
Just tried to tap and go someone and turn myself around.
Tap and go.
Is it only one race we do, or is this like the
This
practice?
is your warm-up.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. Just
unreal.
finding my feet, that's
Well,
all
I'm
good.
winning by miles. What we will do is we'll fix the weather to dry next, because this is very difficult.
What corner are you at? You're going.
I'm coming into the first part of the complex. Oh my word, on the grass.
I'm just spun again. You know what? I'm getting the hang of it now.
Yeah?
I think so.
Good.
I've only spun once as well.
Fantastic. Final lap, here we go.
I watched the video with Mikey and Dan. And
That was a great video, wasn't it?
You watching it? Like, it can't be that hard.
It can't be that hard. Oh, I've blocked up. Oh no, Rainford, what are you doing? It's the final lap, mate. Why are you pushing? I've actually made such a big mistake there. That was terrible. Oh, go, 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 go. Lost 7 seconds there.
Are you going for your Jim Clark S's now?
I'll go for Jim Clark S's now. You're
Okay.
not far away.
I'm not that far back.
You're really not far away. Oh my word. Stop. Car, don't spin, thank you.
Right, I'm going into every corner like it's dry.
I'm doing ABS. Oh, that works. Yes.
You're the last hairpin.
Hardest hairpin, mate. Oh, you have caught up a lot, actually. Fair play. This would be a good lap from you, I think.
Flick it in. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's a lunge, mate. That's on. That's on. Oh.
You know what? We'll take that. Where did you come?
I won the race. So, what's your first experience then of the TOCA race game?
It's all right, yeah. Not bad. I don't quite have the same feel as if you're on a sim, but it's...
No. We're going to go
it's-
not race again, and we're going to reset it, and we're going to make sure it's dry this time.
We're going to make it harder for you now, though. We're going to add the trivia questions in to decide what track you do, unless you both agree on craft.
Yes.
We're going to do a buzzer question, and then you will also get to decide what car the other person's driving.
Oh, unreal.
Choose your buzzer noises.
Quack.
Okay.
Is there any rule on, like, if you buzz and, like, don't get the answer right?
The other person wins the point. Do you not watch the last video?
Really? I did.
Are we ready?
I think
This
so.
is for the track. How many race wins does returning BTCC driver Gordon Shedden have?
1, 2.
Well, overall in his career.
Well, there we go. So, let's go to Brands Hatch, because it's the site of both of our first wins.
All right, yeah, that's fine.
That's nice. That's
fair.
poetic, isn't it?
Okay, then this is to decide the cars that you both have. Which year did Colin Turkington win his first Drivers' Championship?
2011.
No,
I'm going to try and answer it anyway. I think it might have been 2009.
it was 2009.
I am the biggest Colin Turkington fan there is. I've got it. I love Colin tattooed on my chest, actually.
Oh, is there phone a friend in this, or?
Is that phone a friend? Dad?
ChatGPT, bro.
To be fair, 2009, how old were you?
4. In all fairness, you don't remember
I'm
anything
so
till
old.
5. 5 and up. You just spawn in at 5 years old.
You just spawned in. So I get to choose the cars and the track. Right, you,
Oh, yeah.
sir, are not going in the Volvo. Let's put you in the Primera, because that is a seriously cool car as well. Yeah, good luck. Brands Hatch. Right,
Indy.
I don't know whether we're going to the Grand Prix circuit or not, so I've set 5 laps because it's the Indy circuit. Is that okay?
That's enough time for loads of trivia.
Oh, P3 with a spin. We'll take
Why
that.
am I P last again? Am I starting 7th?
I think you might be. Right, here we go. You're starting 8s. Oh, it's not on. And it's lights out and away we go.
Okay, Charles,
Hello.
which track was the first that the then BSCC raced on?
I'm going to say it was Brands Hatch.
Correct.
Oh, I'm off.
Yes. No. I'm through. I get the questions and then I reverse.
Yeah, literally, yeah.
Daryl, which track on the current calendar is the longest and how long is it?
Snetterton.
And how long is it?
That's a really easy question.
Am I allowed tips?
Oh no, come on, Daryl, it's so easy, man. It's literally in the
It's
name.
Snet, it's gotta be-
literally in the name.
What? Snet 300.
Yeah. So what could 300 possibly mean, my friend? I've just overtaken you as well.
I know. So I mean, I get the questions and I reverse. Is it Snet?
It is Snetterton, yeah.
Oh yeah. So we can give me the point.
Yeah, but
there,
how long is it?
It's 300.
Oh, I just bottomed out at paddock.
I've got 2.97 miles.
Bit of my version of trivia. The reason each circuit is called each circuit, so you've got the 100, the 200, the 300, it's for 1 mile, 2 miles and 3 miles.
There you go, you learn something new every day.
I was going to say meters.
Charles, who was the last non-British championship winner?
Alan Menu? No, it could be Colin Turkington, because he's Irish. Fabrizio Giovanardi.
There you go.
Italian. We're actually having a stonking battle now coming down. Oh no, I bottomed out again! This car just keeps bottoming out in paddock.
Come on, don't drive
Terrible.
off. Ah, I'm on the grass.
Daryl, when did the BTCC begin the transition to the NGTC regulations?
Ah, just kidding. Is this after the Super Touring era?
The current regulations we have.
2009.
You were so close. 2010.
No!
Don't try and beat me! Oh my word!
It's getting spicy.
I know, it wouldn't be the first time this year either.
What?
Charles, a certain two-time F1 world champion took the title in 1964. Who was it?
That was, why is the name gone now? It's because I'm concentrating on the game.
Yeah, I
Jim
know.
Clark.
Correct. Daryl, which driver on the current grid has claimed his only career win so far at Rockingham in 2018?
You're right there, bro.
It's the current driver, so I've got.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's only won one race as well.
Oh, he's only
Yeah.
won one race and it's at Nottingham.
So far, he's
You
only won.
listen to the question.
Senna Proctor.
No, it's Chris Smiley.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm afraid I am literally about to cross the line.
No.
I won.
Right, if I get second, that's not bad because it's what I predicted.
It is. It's
Right.
again. It is second. Well, sorry, eighth to second.
Take a second, yeah. We'll take that.
That's the maiden win.
The, the weak points for me was the questions, bro. As soon as I got questions fired, and I was going everywhere else.
21 seconds.
What?
It was like as soon as the questions came, not a single thought was able to go through.
So you asked me a question, and then I was like, right, if I wait here long enough and don't answer, she'll move on.
She might forget that I exist.
Fair play, bro. GG.
Fair play, bro. GG's, good game. I know that one.
So Charles, you were quickest on track. Let's hear the scores of the trivia.
2-1.
Ooh, 2-1.
So 1-0 to you.
Thank you.
Trivia and fastest on track, but we'll give you a chance to claw it back.
Yeah.
We'll do another question to figure out which next track we're going to go on and who's going to get to pick the cars. Who is the oldest ever race winner in the championship, including when it was the BSCC?
Quack. Jason Plato.
No.
Ah,
you got a guess, Daryl?
You're up.
Quack. Oh.
It doesn't matter. You're going to win the point anyway.
Oh, okay. Matt Neal.
No, it's Doc Shepherd.
Doc Shepherd.
I wouldn't. Yeah, I wouldn't.
Wowee. Right. So, what circuit would you like?
Knockhill.
Knockhill.
I'm going
Fine,
Knockhill. Yeah.
So let's do a 5-lap race around Knockhill then.
The weekend after Daryl was born in 2005, which two drivers won in the 3 races in Snetterton? And I'll give you a hint, one of them is on the current grid.
Quack. I'm going to say it was Gordon Shedden, Matt Neal, and Jason Plato.
You got one right. Do you have any guesses, Daryl?
I'm going to say Tom Chilton.
That's correct. Tom Chilton and Jason
Very good,
Plato.
well done. Your wheel knowledge when you were born was unreal.
Well, no, I remember.
I remember that weekend. I was there, it was so good, it was raining, and then it was hot, and there was changeable conditions, and it was just, wow.
I remember watching a race and looking through the grid and going, Tom Chilton's on the grid. 2005, I was like barely born. It's pretty cool how he's still on the grid.
Yeah, 100%. Right, so you get to choose the cars. So what car would you like?
Audi.
Audi, right, there we go. What car am I having? Oh, the Laguna, wow.
Yeah, go with that.
Laguna?
Go with that,
Oh,
yeah.
that is actually properly quick. 200 horsepower.
Charles, where in the UK is the only place to have held a street circuit race in BTCC?
Oh my word, that's bad of me because I didn't even realise that had happened. I don't know, London?
Birmingham.
Birmingham. Wow, that's cool. I need to look that up on the internet.
That sounded very old manish.
Daryl, I've just overtaken you in qualifying, mate, when
Yeah.
you started first. What's going on?
Basically, I watched the Dan and Mikey video and they're like, the grass doesn't slow down that much.
Oh goodness. Wow. I didn't realise the grass was part of the racing line, but it seems to be working pretty well.
So I tried to cut and it's just spun me off.
Daryl, which locations on the 2025 calendar do we visit more than once?
Brands, Donny.
Yeah?
Is there more?
No, I'm just trying to trick you. Trying to throw you off of it. Oh, is that the end? Oh, that was a quick lap.
Well, it's not kill.
That's true.
Can't wait to see where I qualified. Here we go.
Oh, we're both right at the back there, I reckon. Oh, I'm fourth.
I'm surprised I'm last.
Right, here we go.
It's like have you ever done those iZone pressure days and they're like count backwards? It's exactly like that. Trying to make you use more of your brain.
That's it.
When I'm already at maximum capacity.
Just keeping the thing on the road. Yeah.
Charles, what car did Ash Sutton win his first championship in?
Oh, that was in the Subaru.
It was a
It had
Subaru.
a really low, it had a different style engine as well. It had a flat 4 engine in it.
You've got so much
With
trivia
a
in you.
flat floor on it. It's really cool.
Daryl, who holds the most constructors' championships on the grid?
Isn't it WSR?
BMW, but yeah.
Yeah, BMW, WSR.
I'm about to get absolutely dive-bombed here. I've just driven myself off the track. I knew he was talking, so I was like, I'm going off now.
Well, I started talking, I was like, I've lost all chain of thought.
Gordon Shedden officially debuted in 2001 before how many drivers on the current grid were born?
Whoa, wow. 2001, to say 3?
That's correct. Daryl, can you name the 3?
Me.
Yep.
Correct.
So Max has won now, and Dexter.
correct. Charles, a tricky one for you.
Oh, okay.
Can you list the race winners so far this season in order?
In order?
Yeah.
Oh my word. Right, well, I know that it was Ash Sutton.
Yeah.
Won the first 2 races. Then it was Tom Chilton.
Yep.
Round 2, Jake, Daryl, then me.
Yep.
Ash.
No.
No,
So
there we
it
go.
was Sutton, Chilton, Hill, DeLeon, Rainford, Camish, Rowbottom, Ingram and Shedden.
Oh, of course, yes. I've missed out an event, yeah.
Daryl, Ricard Rydell won the championship in 1998, but what nationality was he?
Did he change? What? What name does that sound to you, bro?
It's not my question, mate, but I must help you in saying I don't know.
Oh, yeah, brilliant, thanks. Italian, maybe?
He was Swedish.
Swedish?
Yeah.
Oh, that is a hard one, actually.
Charles, who was the first independent drivers' champion in 1992?
I know this.
You know it.
Actually.
Fair play, Daryl.
I don't know. I just need to make myself
Oh,
look a
right,
bit
okay,
better.
fine. I'm going to say Andy Rouse.
It's James Kay.
James Kay. But I'm coming into the last corner, so do you want to fire Daryl a question?
Are you first again?
Yeah.
Is this rigged?
Boom. Here we go.
Oh, bro, way too late.
Oh, overall position 5th, 6th. No, he's losing it.
I think there's a bit of delay on my controller or something, so. All right, not bad. Had a podium today.
To even out the questions, Daryl, your last one. What year did BTCC introduce hybrid?
2022.
That's correct.
Well done.
Let's hear our scores again on round 2.
Well, round 2 was a 4-2 win.
Ooh,
To me,
Well done.
yeah.
Very good.
Overall, you also won. If we combine both the rounds.
There we go.
You're the king of trivia.
Oh, wow.
Well done. There we go.
King of blagging. of trivia, but I was like last every time.
So you stick with trivia, I'll stick with games.
We hope you enjoyed that video as much as we did. Thank you for having us. Make sure you stay up to date with BTCC's socials. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. One more. There you go. Done. And then there's like fade to black.